Welcome to Transition to Life and Daily Living Skills. Today we're going to learn how to make microwave macaroni and cheese. Anytime you make anything with processed food, it basically isn't as healthy as anything you could make for yourself. But it's easy, it's fast, and sometimes we just need a break. So today we're going to learn how to make a meal out of the microwave. Before you start, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water and make sure that everything stays clean, your food doesn't get contaminated, and you don't bring any germs into your workspace. I take off my mac and cheese and look at the back for my directions. One of the first things and most important rules in any kind of processed food is to read the directions. This says I'm going to remove the top, I'm going to add water to the fill line, I'm going to cook it, I'm going to stir and then cook it without the top on, and then look at the red information here. It says it's going to be very hot when I take it out. So we are going to put it on a plate and make sure that we don't burn ourselves. Our choices are a regular plate out of the cupboard that has no metal on it, has no silver or gold on it, so that it's microwave safe, or a paper plate, or a plastic plate, all that have on the back information that says microwave safe. I'm going to use this plate. I'm going to put my mac and cheese on it. It says take out the package of cheese. We're going to use that later. And then fill to the fill line, right here. I'm going to put it in my microwave on high for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That is 330. And in fact, most of the time, and this time, the directions tell you and show you exactly what the number should look like on your microwave. Our microwave is just about done. I'm standing in the kitchen, so I'm close to the cooked food, but I'm not staring into the microwave and I'm not hovering right on top of it. There, it's done. But notice, I'm not running over to grab it out of the microwave. It's best to give it a second or two to settle down before you take your food out of a microwave oven. We've put it on a microwave safe plate, but I don't know that that plate's not hot. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to use my oven mitt to get it out of the oven. Now, if I'm a beginner, I'm going to use 2 mitts, 2 hands, 2 mitts. To take the plate out. Notice also that I didn't have it close to my face because I don't want that steam to come up to my face. The directions tell me that once I have my pasta out, there's water in it. It's runny. It doesn't look very appetizing. But I'm going to pour my cheese in. And then stir. And as I stir, the cheese sauce picks up the extra water that was left around the pasta and thickens it up to make a nice, creamy cheese sauce. Right now I'm going to pour it out for you so you can see how good it looks. And here is my microwave macaroni and cheese.